Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Nissan Rogue, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, the link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we want to make sure we prep the headlight. So apply Slip Solution on the headlight and on the bottom lens as well. And with the clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the lenses might have. Okay, so to start the installation, we're going to start by applying Slip Solution to the top lens and Slip Solution to the tint as well. And with this one, you want to align it right on this section of the edge first. So it does have a cutout. This cutout matches the edge here, so I'll show you right now. So just make sure you align it to the edge. So it should be roughly like this. I'll show you right now. So as you can see, this is where the alignment will be. It's covering this side of the headlight, and this small piece is going to go aligned right here. So I line it right there on the edge, and this bottom piece will cover the bottom here. So once you have this section aligned, we're going to tack down this section first to secure it, since it is a more bigger piece to work with, and then we'll work our way with installing these remaining two here. Okay, so to secure this spot, apply Tack Solution on the film, and then with your squeegee, start tacking down this section here. And for right now, we'll leave this as is. We'll work on it towards the end, because this material here, it does have excess material here. So if you try to install it right now, you will have trouble removing the small fingers. So first we're going to stretch the film this way, and then once the film has been stretched and tacked down, then we can come back and install this piece here. So we make sure this piece is tacked down first, and now we can stretch the rest of the film. So apply Slip Solution. And all we're doing is just stretching the film to meet it up to the edge here, and also making sure it's aligned here. So stretch, so it's on the edge here, and it's on the edge here. So hold it in place, apply Tack Solution, and then start tagging it down. And make sure you're removing all of the solution behind the film, because once we seal it, you won't be able to remove any water bubbles. Okay, so now that this section is tacked down, now we can work on this middle piece. So it's just making sure we align it and bringing the material tucked in here. Okay, so in order to tack down this section, all we need to do is just apply Tack Solution. So lift the film and just help it tack down to this piece here. So use your squeegee, tack it down and tack it down. And just to help this section tack down and it doesn't lift, we are going to need to apply heat. So just for now, to tack down as much as you can. And once everything's good, now we could apply heat to secure it in its spot. So apply Tack Solution, and with our heat gun, just go around the area and start tacking it down little by little. Okay, now that we're done securing this piece, now we can finish off with removing any water bubbles that we still have here in the middle. So just apply Tack Solution and start removing all of the water bubbles. Now that we finished applying this section, now we can move on with installing this lower piece here. Okay, so to start with the installation, apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the tint. And this one, just align it here on this edge first. Once we have it aligned, lift the film and apply Tack Solution so we can start tacking it down. So make sure it's still aligned, covering everything. Hold it in position and start tacking it down. Okay, so now that we tacked down this section, now we just move on with installing this other section here. So with this one, all you need to do is just a light stretch in order to meet it up to the edge here. So do a light stretch. Once you have it to the edge, then we can go ahead and start tagging it down. So apply Tack Solution to help it tack down, and just apply Tack Solution on top of the film. That way we're able to squeegee the film. And and just finish off with tacking down the rest of the film. There is going to be a small curve here on this section of the lens here, but just take your time in tacking it down. And if you need help tacking it down, you can always apply heat with a little bit of tack solution in order to secure the film here. So apply tack solution and then heat to help it tack down. And then this bottom half of the film, all you need to do is just tuck it in underneath and you're basically done. Just make sure there's no water bubbles behind the lens. And you can also apply more tack solution and heat just to help this section of the film stay tacked down underneath the lens. And the last step to do once we finish installing the films is just post heat all around. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it doesn't lift over time. So to post heat, apply tack solution all around the film. And with your heat gun and a microfiber towel, start going all around the film to help the adhesive activate faster. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tint for the 2022 Nissan Rogue. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, that way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.